To pay with Cash App on Temu. Start by opening the Temu app and browsing for the items you want to purchase. Once you have added all the items to your cart, proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, you will see various payment options. Click on the option that says Pay with other methods or more payment options. This will bring up additional payment methods. Select Cash App from the list of available payment options. You will be redirected to the Cash App website where you will be prompted to enter your Cash App login credentials. Enter your phone number or email address associated with your Cash App account. Then enter your password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will also need to enter the verification code sent to your phone or email. After logging in, you will see the payment details, including the amount you are about to pay. Review the payment details carefully to ensure everything is correct. If everything is correct, click on the Pay button to complete the transaction. You will see a confirmation message indicating that the payment has been successful. You will also receive an email from Temu confirming your order, and another email from Cash App confirming the payment. It is essential to ensure that you have sufficient funds in your Cash App account to cover the cost of the transaction. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with using Cash App, such as instant transfer fees. By following these steps, you can easily pay with Cash App on Temu. Remember to always review the payment details carefully before completing a transaction, and ensure you have sufficient funds in your Cash App account.